So, hello everyone, my name is Sujil and today I'll be talking about how every student can earn money
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh. You see the drippy, I'm fitted.
just by knowing these 5 things which I'll be sharing about after few seconds. So before moving ahead, please do hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make such more awesome contents for you all. So let's get started. So before directly jumping into the 5 things, I want to discuss about the India's scenario. The problem of making money is that the students are unaware or the guidance problem. Like they don't know where to apply their skills to earn money and they don't have a lot of information. So that's why I thought to make this video so that every students get aware of all these things. Well, before earning money, you have to ask yourself that for what purpose you want to earn money and for what to do with that money and why to earn money. Then only you will give that much of effort to complete any work. That I saw a lot of students that they set their goals and they complete their work on a time. But on the other hand, I saw a lot of students that did not set their goals and they think that yes, they will complete it by tomorrow. But as the time goes, their mentality of completing that work also got end. So with this, what I mean to say that कि आपको कोई नहीं बताता कि पैसे अर्न करने से पहले आपके अंदर वो डेडिकेशन होना चाहिए उस काम को कंप्लीट करने का. देन ओनली आपको कोई पैसा देगा, नहीं तो आपको कोई फ्री में पैसा नहीं देगा. आई नो दैट एवरीवन लव्स टू सी ड्रीम कि मैं आज गुच्ची का शूज़ पहनूँ, कैल्विन की टी शर्ट्स पहनूँ. सो ऐसे ड्रीम्स से नहीं होगा. सो दैट्स वाई यू हैव टू गिव मच एफर्ट टू कंप्लीट एनी वर्क. देन ओनली you will get or you will earn money. So lastly, what I want to say that if you want to earn money, then आपके अंदर वो dedication होना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. Then only you can earn money. Now let us talk about the first one, and this is going to be to start to learn a particular skills. And this point is as usual because everyone says the same, and yes, I am agree with this point. This is very very important to learn a particular skills and you have to give much time to complete a particular skills. ऐसा नहीं कि आप एक दिन दो दिन सीख रहे हो एक particular skills को, now you are thinking that yes, now you are ready to do work in order to earn money. And this is the biggest problem lot of students they have. ऐसा नहीं करना आपको. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको एक पर्टिकुलर स्किल्स को सीखना है एक पर्टिकुलर समय, जैसे कि आप एक पर्टिकुलर बाउंड्री बना लें यस कि मुझे एक मंथ में कंप्लीट करना है इस वीडियो एडिटिंग को सपोज. तो यस यू हैव टू गिव 1 month, देन ओनली यू विल लर्न लिटिल बिट ऑफ वीडियो एडिटिंग. आई विल नॉट से कि यू विल लर्न होल थिंग इन 1 month. सो यस यू हैव टू गिव time in order to learn a particular skills. Then after that you have to make projects in order to gain confidence. If you think that you don't have any idea which skills to learn, then the skills you can learn can be like video editing, graphic designing, content writing, social media marketing, and these are the lot of skills that are highly paid in this modern time. Now the time for in search of a client for whom you will do work. Initially you will face problem in searching of a client, but after getting 1 or 2 client you will be getting a client in an easier way. And now let's talk about the second one, and this is going to be to create a YouTube channel. Here you can create content on YouTube, and the best part about doing YouTube is that you can create whatever you like or whatever you want, and that must be interesting so that people will come to watch your content. And to establish in a YouTube, or if you want to make a good value, you have to be consistent while doing YouTube or while creating contents on YouTube. So here you must remember the word consistency, and this consistency is the only key will take you from 0 subs to 1 million subs. So must be consistent while doing YouTube. And lastly, I wanna discuss a little thing about one little thing that while starting YouTube, don't think about others. That I know initially you'll be criticized from your friends, your relatives. So if you think that yes, you have a dedication to do of doing YouTube, then you can ignore them for a particular time. Otherwise, I will not suggest you to ignore them. बस आपको ये याद रखना होगा कि यस, कि अगर आपके पास डेडिकेशन है कि यस यू कैन डू ग्रेट जॉब इन यूट्यूब, then you can ignore them for a particular time. Then, and I can tell you that if you have that much of dedication, then definitely you will be getting a good outcome in future. Now let us talk about the third one, and this is going to be to start blogging. Blogging could be a nice way for a student to earn extra cash. If you have a favorite hobby, then you just write your content about it and share it with others as well. You can blog about academic subjects or more you have good knowledge in, or write about non-academic topics on your blog. Once your blog start getting traffics, then you can use a number of ways to monetize your blogs. Suppose if you write a quality post on your blog on a regular basis, then definitely you will be able to attract a lot of users to your blog. Student can run and maintain a blog in their spare time. A blog with a steady amount of traffic can earn a solid side income regularly. Now let's talk about the fourth one, and this is going to be freelancer web designer. Suppose if you have interest in web designing, then you can consider web development course, especially front-end development. So in order to become front-end development, you need to learn a bunch of things. But the thing is, you can start from HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then you can go with a framework and library. This is also a super highly paid work for the student who have interest in web development. And with this work, you can earn up to $30 to $80 per hour. So according to me, you can consider this work as a good income source. Now let's talk about the fifth one, and this is going to be social media influencer. Suppose if you are looking for a high paying jobs, then you could become a social media influencer. In fact, this is one of the best jobs for students in India. As a student are digital native and understand social media works better than anyone. Students who want safe online jobs should consider to become a social media influencer on fast growing channels like YouTube, Instagram, where it's easy to find brands that will pay to showcase their products. To become a successful influencer, you will need a good video editing and a video content production skills. You will also have to learn how to build a brand on a social media so you can attract the best advertise and sponsors. So this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I want to say one thing, that the points which I discussed here is just my recommendation, you can say, in order to make a good income. Otherwise, there are a lot of work for a student. So as you can see the list here. And if you guys love this video, please do hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make such more awesome contents for you all. And if you guys wanna follow me on Insta, then you can see my handle. And do let us know that which skills you're gonna learn in future and to make or to earn money in future. Have a nice day.